Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you how to restore default settings of your mouse. Firstly, let's go to Logitech G HUB. Next, go to sensitivity, and here you can restore default settings of your mouse. Also, you can do it in profiles, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.